The PulseFay folding sofa bed PF-001 offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, effortlessly transitioning from a sofa to a chaise lounge and a futon bed, making it ideal for small spaces and unexpected guests. This convertible sofa bed features ergonomic design elements, including a head pillow with a secure strap and buckle system, as well as a lumbar pillow that provides excellent lower back support. Thanks to its pocketed, high-density filling, this floor couch maintains its shape while providing soothing comfort by relieving pressure points and enhancing relaxation. Crafted from skin-friendly corduroy fabric, the sofa bed is not only soft and breathable, but also gentle on the skin, ensuring a comfortable lounging experience. The PulseFay folding sofa bed is a practical solution for compact living areas, arriving vacuum-sealed to minimize carbon dioxide emissions during shipping and expanding to its full size within 2 to 3 days. Its compact dimensions of 25 inches in height, length, and width make it a perfect fit for tight spaces, while still offering a substantial seating and sleeping area.